Hello and welcome to a day in 15 minutes UPSC Prelims Daily Current Affairs by Neo IAS. So today's topics are South Asia Economic Focus, then Interpol and Notices, then Foreign Plastic Invades Great Nicobar Island, then Gold Exchange Traded Fund, Rashtriya Sanskrit Mahotsav, then Project Beehive, then Jeevan Kaushal Curriculum for Life Skills, then Galicia National Park and Campbell Bay National Park. So our first topic, that is South Asia Economic Focus. So first is why it came in news. So the related news is that the World Bank, it cuts India's growth projection to 6%. Okay, so this is the news. So first you have to know about South Asia Economic Focus. So we know it's a biannual economic update and usually it presents recent economic developments and a near-term economic outlook for South Asia by World Bank. Okay, so basically they includes a focus section presenting more in-depth analysis of an economic topic of relevance for stability, growth and prosperity in the region. Okay, and it also gives a country brief covering Afghanistan, Bangladesh, Bhutan, India, Maldives, Nepal, Pakistan and Sri Lanka. Fine. So here you have to know some of the details regarding the report. So the report, it finds that Bangladesh and Nepal, they are growing faster than India. And the projected growth of India in 2019 according to the report is 6%. So as a whole we can say South Asia, it remains the fastest growing region in the world. And also this report, it highlights the export potential of the area. Clear? So here you can see some of the important reports and index that are being published by the World Bank. And they are Ease of Doing Business, World Development Report, then Global Economic Prospects, then International Debt Statistics, then Remittance Report, Ease of Living Index, Universal Health Coverage Index, then the Service Trade Restriction Index, then India Development Update and Logistics Performance Index. So these are some of the important reports and indexes that have been published by the World Bank. Clear? So our next topic is Interpol and Notices. So the news is that a red notice, it has been published against Nirav Modi's brother. So this red notice against Nirav Modi's brother, it vanished from the Interpol site. Clear? So here first you have to know regarding the Interpol. So we know the Interpol, it's a global police cooperation agency and it's a NGO. That means non-governmental organization. And basically it works are mainly focused on public safety, then battling terrorism and also crimes against humanity, then genocide and even war crimes and also environmental crimes. Fine. And it was published as the International Criminal Police Commission, that is ICPC. And its headquarters, it is located in Lyon in France. So we can say it is the second largest international organization after the United Nations in terms of its international representation with 190 member countries. So here in the picture you can see 194 member countries which are being connected through a secure network. Clear? So here in the diagram you can see the different notices and the corresponding purpose. So here you have to know about red notice. So the function of this red notice is to seek the location and arrest of wanted persons with a view of extradition or similar lawful action. Clear? So please have an understanding regarding the other notices and their corresponding purpose. That is yellow, orange, blue, purple, black notice, etc. Fine. So next topic is Foreign Plastic Invades Great Nicobar Island. So why it came in news? Because a survey which is being conducted on the 5 beaches in the islands they recorded the presence of plastic bottles. Clear? So here you can see in the diagram, that is according to the details that are being conducted in the survey, it says that the pristine beaches of the Great Nicobar Island, which is located in the India's southernmost territory, they are under the threat from plastic. And also here you can see major portion of the litter, it was of Malaysian origin, followed by Indonesia and Thailand. And the litter of Indian origin, it only amounted to 2.2%. Fine. So here we can see the plastic pollution, it has been emerging as one of the severe threat to the ocean ecosystem. And talking about its concentration, it has reached 5,80,000 pieces per square kilometer. Clear? And the report says that the plastic, it represents 83% of the marine litter which is being found, and the remaining 17% it is mainly by textiles, paper, metal and wood. Clear? So here you have to note one thing, that is this Great Nicobar Island, it is the home to one of the most primitive tribes of India, that is the Champions. Clear? So our next topic, it is gold exchange traded fund. So why it came in news? Because the holdings in gold which has been backed exchange traded funds and similar products, they hit an all-time high worries about the escalating US-China trade war and also uncertainty over monetary policy that led to increased demand for this precious metal. Okay, so this is the news. So here, first you have to know about gold ETF. So we know the gold exchange traded fund, actually it's a passive investment, or we can say passive investment fund that aims to track the price of physical gold. So usually we can say each unit of gold or the gold ETF, it represents 1 gram of gold as the fund which is being invested in the physical gold, and in turn the investors, they get the units in dematerialized form. So we can say since it's an ETF, the units, they are listed on stock exchange, and the investors, they can buy or sell units on the exchange platform like any equity instrument. Fine. So simply put, gold ETF is like buying gold in an electronic forum. While selling a gold ETF unit, an investor, he will not get physical gold but cash equivalent. So next question is, who will buy gold ETF? So we can say any investor who wants to hold gold for purely investment purpose can look at gold ETF. And for those who want to accumulate physical gold, such ETF are not right instrument. Fine. So next you have to know about its benefits. So the first and primary benefit is that one gets to invest in gold without worrying about factors such as purity of the gold, then transparency of pricing, then we can say making charges, then lockers and theft, among other things. And the second benefit is that one can purchase as little as 1 unit representing 1 gram at a time, and they can still have the flexibility of buying more units depending on the liquidity and prevailing gold prices. Okay, so since it's an ETF, we have to remember is that a liquid investment is there and it can be sold at any time on the exchange. That is another benefit. And also it offers many benefits in terms of tax. As income earned, it is treated as long-term capital gain and there is no other levy such as wealth tax. So these are the main benefits of ETF. Clear? So our next topic, it is Rashtriya Sanskrit Mahotsav. So the Rashtriya Sanskrit Mahotsav under the EK Bharat Shrestha Bharat initiative, it will be celebrated in the Jabalpur in Madhya Pradesh. Clear? So our next topic, it is Project Beehive. So we can say it's a project which has been launched by the Indian Army's Corps of Electronics and Mechanical Engineers, that is EME, and it's a collaborated project of Army with the Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology. So it is basically it is meant for automation of the entire corps to enable real-time monitoring and response of its 2000 workshops across the country. Fine. So coming to our next topic, there is Jeevan Kaushal curriculum for life skills. So it is designed by UGC, that is University Grants Commission, and the program here it has been framed for undergraduate courses across the country. And the curriculum it is designed to impart and strengthen the knowledge, then the skills and dispositions believed to be the best requisites for the current industry and thereby empowering the talent. Fine. So our next topic it is Galicia National Park and Campbell Bay National Park. So first you have to know its location. So we know it is located in the Union Territory of Andaman and Nicobar Islands in India. So we can say it is located on the island of Great Nicobar in the Nicobar Islands. So this Galicia National Park, it was established in the year 1992. So here in the map, you can see the exact location of Galicia National Park and the Campbell Bay National Park. So today you have two questions from the previous day topics, and the questions are, which are the countries bordering Red Sea? And your options are 1. Saudi Arabia, 2. Yemen, 3. Egypt, 4. Syria, and 5. Eritrea, 6. Oman. So, your options are A. 1, 2, 3 and 5 only, B. 2, 3, 4 and 5 only, C. 1, 4 and 6 only, and D. All of the above. So, this is one question. And our second question is, Saras Ajivika Mela, it's an initiative by which industry? And our options, A. Ministry of Rural Development, B. Ministry of HRD, C. Ministry of Commerce and Industry, and D. Ministry of Housing and Urban Poverty Alleviation. So, please find the answer and comment it in the comment section. So, that's all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed the session. If you have any doubt, please comment in the comment section. Thank you so much. So, please like, share and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Follow our website neoiasgap.com for the detailed content and monthly prelims digest. Also join our current affairs exclusive test series through the website. And finally, participate in the daily current affairs prelims infotainment quiz at our Telegram channel, that is Neo IAS Prelims, at 9:30 p.m.